Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing a brand new box to me, Awakening in a Box. This is going to be their Empowering Oracle box, $34.99 a month plus shipping and handling, or they don't call it that anymore, shipping. May 2019 box. Let's check it out. It's got a little sticker here. This is really pretty. There's a note from the curator. I don't usually look at these until I've unboxed the box. Looks like this is enchantedwitchcraft.com. Moon Goddess. Looks like a candle. Soy candle, handcrafted in Portland, Oregon. Pretty. This is the top. Smeller. Smells very good. Cool. Let's see what this heavy item is. Wrapped in a newspaper. That's pretty cool. Hey! Cool. Wow. I feel like I've seen somebody else have this. I'm gonna have to go back. I feel like Robin has one of these. She unboxed one of these, but I can't for the life of me remember the box. So I'll have to look back. If I find it, I'll leave it in the description. I'm doing a terrible job of unboxing, unwrapping this, what appears to be a selenite wand. Very, very cool. It's quite large. Okay, selenite wand and an affirmation. Ohana Radionics. Ooh. I've got an altar cloth here, I think. Let me open it. See what's up. Oh wait, there it is. Sorry. Okay. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Ooh, it's tight. Sorry. A little bit vigorous with it. Black Moon Astrology cards. Wow. Ooh, I've never heard of these. I have a deck of like astrology cards from a Witch's Moon box, but I'm drawing on the ancient discipline of interpreting the night sky. Black Moon Astrology cards give you access to the tangible wisdom contained in the heavens above. Here. Check out the back. I've gotten a few oracles, so I will definitely be doing some more unboxings on that here pretty soon on my channel. Hope you can see everything. Let me just put all the dealy bobs back in there and read you the information. This is pretty cloth. Okay. Basically, it says, welcome to the May Empowering Oracle box, Mother Moon. This is a one-time limited edition box. Ooh! This box contains one oracle deck, one crystal stone, and 2 products all focused around the theme. The deck included this month is a Black Moon Astrology cards, drawing on the ancient discipline of interpreting the night sky. The Black Moon Astrology cards give you access to the tangible wisdom contained in the heavens above. The movements of the planets, the luminaries, and the stars are reflected in the happenings on Earth and influence our lives, bodies, souls, and destinies. As a science and art, astrology reveals the insight and knowledge that is literally written in the stars. Also in your box is a gorgeous selenite wand, as well as a beautiful triple moon altar cloth to use during your card readings. And we're very happy to include the enchanted witchcraft, enchanted wildcraft, moon goddess candle. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram for tips on using your new deck and crystal and inviting their abundant energy into your life. This note doubles as an art print drawn by our art director, Eli Valoroso. Follow his Instagram to see more amazing art. We would like to thank you again for being a seeker of truth and enlightenment, of course, being part of Awakening in a Box. Light and love. So hopefully you can read all that. So this is pretty cool. This is my first time with this box, and let me say I love it. High quality stone, nice little candle, very lovely deck, an altar cloth, which, believe it or not, I have been getting boxes for well over a year and I've never gotten one. So it's pretty cool. I've decided to add a little bit extra on my channel, just a little note card saying the information in case you want to read it in the video, instead of having to look in the description or missing it, because I still sometimes get the question. And also, when I do the review, it'll be in the monthly side-by-side, and on the back, I'll put the items listed. Wow, what do you guys think of this box? I think it's quite lovely. It's Awakening the Box. Awakening in a Box is the company. The type is the Empowering Oracle box, and I'll have an Oracle deck every month, which is something pretty cool to me because I definitely wanted to expand my oracles, but not so much my tarot decks. So I'm really intrigued. As always, please like, comment, tell me what you think. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy the new scenery. It's not fancy, but it is my yard with my little animals doing their little busy thing, and I look forward to talking to you guys soon. So have a wonderful day. Good night.